everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about some odds and ends, mainly the spice of life. All right, so what am I talking about? Odds and ends, spice of life. All right, so this is one of the odds and ends where there's a bunch of little things grouped together, and spices are a bunch of little things. And so I've mentioned a little bit here and there about food prep saving. I've mentioned here and there about food storage and the things you need to have in for it. And when dealing with bulk items like rice and wheat, you may want to have some spices to change up the flavor of whatever it is you're eating. Beans, especially, you can make, you have refried beans and you have baked beans, and but there's a lot more things you can do with beans and a lot more flavoring you can do with it if you have spices. So in your preps, think about adding a variety of spices and not just the ones you're currently using. Check out what other spices there are and which ones you might be interested in. That doesn't mean go out and buy a big old, Costco size jug of these new spices. No, get those some of the small ones from the grocery store, test them out, see if you like them or not, see what you can do with it. Check with your friends that cook with them. Find out some recipes that they can recommend to you that you can try to see how good the stuff is. And if you like that spice, get that spice. Because if you have a good variety of spices and you're eating all this food storage, that's the spice that'll give life to your food storage. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, clothing, skills, knowledge, spices. Why do you want all this stuff? Well, this is why.